Have you ever been editing and you accidentally delete either the audio section or the video section of a file and you need to find it in your massive library of footage? This is how you do it. It's really easy. Watch with me here. So basically we're inside of Premiere here and you see I'm missing some audio here, but I needed that audio. I don't know where inside the clip this thing is. I don't want to have to watch this clip because this is a very, very, very long clip. Now, obviously I have my in and out points here, but let's pretend we didn't have those here, right? How do you find in this huge, huge clip where that audio is? Well, it's really, really simple. First of all, I'm going to show you the settings. I actually don't know what the default settings are, to be honest, because I changed it myself. I always have these set to my quick keys. So you go to keyboard shortcuts, and basically my X here is set to match frame, and that is the command that you're trying to look for. So if you go to match frame, you'll see that I have it set to X and I have reverse match frame set to Shift and X. And I'll go over that in 1 second. So you basically go to the point that you're trying to find, let's say right here, and you just press X. And there it is. It's right there. It's so easy. It's that easy. Now, let's say that you saw something in your source and you wanted to find it in your timeline. It's just the opposite one. So let's say I scroll to this part and I want to get this part up in my timeline. I just do Shift and X and boom, it goes on the opposite side. It pulls it from the source to the timeline. So X will take you from the timeline and show it in the source, and Shift X will take whatever's in the source and show it in the timeline if it exists. If it doesn't exist, it won't do anything. And that's really it. It's that simple to find pieces. I know sometimes you'll be searching for hours in an hour-long piece of footage to find that 1 second of clip that you needed that audio from. You know, I can just pull this now and match it up to wherever it is. And that's the exact audio of this section of clip from here. That's how simple it is. So customize your keys. There's a video I have on the best keys that I like to use to customize my Premiere. You can find that in the link above. And basically X is what I have that set to match frame because I do use it often. That's it. It's that simple. Hope that helped out. Subscribe for more tutorials. Hit that like button if this helped, and I'll see you on the next one.